What's your name?
My name is Florian.
Florian?
And I'm with the Priolite company.
Priolite?
And I want to introduce the MB500 flash, which is a 500 watt-seconds flash with a built-in lithium battery. You can have 400 flashes at full power with this flash. The cycle time is 2.2 seconds, and the charging time for the battery is 2.2 hours approximately. We have a modeling lamp which is LED with it's comparable to 100 watts tungsten light, and we even can flash with that LEDs, which means that you have, I don't know, 1,000 of flashes, because the consumption of energy is very little for the LED flash. What else do we have? We have, if you mount the flash upside down on the ceiling, for example, we can even flip the display, so you can still read the display just as normally.
Are you able to adjust the brightness of the display? Like, does it get any brighter than that for outside use, or is it very visible outside?
You can adjust the contrast of the. Let me see.
Yes, I mean I can.
Should work. So it's pretty exactly.
Say if it's very
adjust the contrast a little bit to adjust.
Like, say if I pointed this at it and then turn on the modeling light. Sorry, how do I turn on the modeling light on here?
It's right here.
You have
oh, we're losing a lot of light here, but like, I guess I can't quite show. Like, yeah, I'm just trying to just brighten up so that I can see how it performs outside. Is there no problem using it outdoors then, and you can still read the display very easily?
I think the contrast is very high even outdoors. Okay. So I think you can read it. By the way, what we have is a RC control of all our flashes.
Okay.
Actually, it's not one LED, but it's an LED.
Let me see which one we can take. I'll explain it on this one.
Sure.
We have a bi-directional radio control of the flash, so we can adjust the power, and the flash does as well.
Okay.
And when we adjust the flash power, this one syncs.
Okay. And is it a proprietary mode, or is there like a kind of a standard that you use that might in the future?
This is our own standard. Okay. Our own standard.
What's the range of the remote?
It's about 100 meters.
Okay.
100 meters.
And indoors and outdoors?
Well, indoors, of course, with heavy steel walls or stuff like that, a little bit less. Right. In outdoors, 100 meters, even plus.
Okay, excellent.
You have full control with that control. You have full control over the flash, so you don't even have to touch the flash anymore, which is pretty important. I do product photography, and if the flash is mounted to the ceiling, whatever, I don't want to touch it. You know, I can't touch it sometimes. You don't have to touch it anymore with that control.
Right.
You can even send the flash to sleep. Let me show you a picture. You can send it to sleep with that one, and you can wake it up again. If you have to measure your set, and you don't want to flash this one, so you just send it to sleep, and that's it.
So how many different heads can you control with this remote?
36.
36. And
36.
How do you change which head you're controlling? Where's the controller?
You have four teams here, which you can easily change.
Okay.
And each team has nine flashes.
I see. Okay.
What is pretty cool too is you have the option.
Lifetime of the battery.
Let me try to.
They say 500 full charges, then it's 80%. 80%. So how if
yeah, that's it. You can even do pretty cool stuff. If you have a set of 4 or 5 flashes, you can switch the control to 0. So now all the flashes in a set are zeroed.
Right.
And you can adjust the power of the complete set in 1/10 of an f-stop.
Right.
And now the complete set is lifted. Like one flash is at 5.0, the next is at 6.0.
Yes.
Now you can lift up all the flashes and keep the ratio.
Okay. And you can switch back though.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
I have a few questions now.
Yeah, sure.
So I guess what battery unit power is this? Like, how do you?
This one is pretty cool. It's AA batteries. That's it.
There is no right or wrong.
Pardon?
Three of them.
Three of them.
Three number, but simple
Yep.
batteries. Excellent.
You can get it everywhere.
Okay.
No big deal.
And I guess again, how heavy is the head? I can't remember.
It's cool. The head. Just try it.
Steven, how heavy is the head? Not very heavy.
What do you think?
Not very heavy.
Okay.
Exactly. That's it.
And then actually, I just noticed too, you have a Pyrex dome to protect the flash tube as well.
Exactly.
Okay. And do you have different colored domes?
We have two different, the warm and the cold one.
Okay. And then what's the temperature difference between the two?
It's about I think 800 to 1200 Kelvin.
Oh, really?
Because the LED flash is of course like 6,000 and something kelvins,
Yep.
and with the colored cap you can move it to like 5,000 and something.
Oh, okay.
This one.
I guess what else there too? And then what kind of connector is this? This looks.
Well, this is we can connect three variations of it. This is Priolite special.
Okay.
This is our own attachment here.
And there's like, wow, okay. Very streamlined.
This is pretty easy.
Wow,
yeah.
yeah.
This is pretty easy. That of course fits perfect.
And it feels pretty secure too.
Yep,
Okay.
absolutely.
That's cool, yeah.
You can even turn it here a little bit if you need to.
Yeah. And
You probably know this one,
Yeah,
Bones.
of course, yeah. Okay.
This one, and even the Hensel dishes have some little metal here, some sheet metal. We even can attach
This one? Yep.
the Hensel dishes like that.
Wow. Okay.
Not the soft boxes, but these dishes are millwork.
Okay. I'm just gonna